lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to another video. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Stephanie and you're welcome to Stephy Space. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. You guys are the real deal. Thank you for your support. So in today's video, so today is Monday and we are hosting some of the relatives at home today. So yesterday was Sunday that I went for the baby dedication, and then today is Monday. So those who came from the east, Hobby decided to host them for like just a little get together in the house, like I think up to 30 or 50 persons. So we are going to be cooking for them today. So Hobby decided to kill goats for them. Yeah, so with the goat, we'll be making isala soup and then jollof rice. Yeah, so I'll be making isala soup, goat meat, which is white soup, which is goat meat white soup. Yeah, and then also I'll be making patty jollof rice for them. Yeah, so yeah, they've already brought the meat. They got the meat from I think Aja or somewhere. So yeah, they've brought the meat back home. Now I'll be going to prepare it for them. It's currently 5:25. I don't know what time I'm going to finish, but definitely I'm going to carry you guys along. Yeah, so let's get right into cooking.
So yeah, this is all the meat. This is quite big, like so much. And then this is the head part, leg. It's one full goat. This is the head, the leg. Yeah, and I guess it's a big one. It's the head. This is the head part, and then this is the leg, the bone. I say bum bum. This is the leg. The intestines are here. I think it's a man goat. Yes. See his thing. Yeah, so this is the fatty part. This is the main meat here, the fleshy part and the other part of the goat. So I'll be making I think I want to make isala soup, isala white soup, and then jollof rice for them. I don't know, but I think that is it. So the people that doesn't want to eat white soup, like Pando, will take jollof rice. Yeah. So I don't know. I want to start. They look quite big, so I want to start cutting them. I don't know if I should, but I won't cut everything though. Anyone I see that is like this one, I won't cut it again. I'll just have to like divide them, like separate them. So anyone that I see that is big, I won't cut this one. I'll have to cut this. It looks big, so I'll just cut the meats, divide them, the one I'm going to use for the soup and then the one I'm going to use for the stew. So definitely I'm going to carry you guys along how to make isala white soup. How to make isala, goat meat isala, that is white soup with goat meat. Yeah, I'll definitely carry you guys along. So let's get started. Yeah, so I'm done separating both of them. I'm going to separating it. So this part is going to be for the isala soup, which is the white soup. Yeah, so for the white soup, the head is going to be there. I'm not going to cut the head. It's actually like, should I say a culture, or I don't know, but it's just, I don't know, but I think it's a culture that when you're hosting people, especially from Annam, I don't know if other people do it though, but for Annam, you're not going to cut the head. Do you understand? I think the most eldest person, rather the most eldest person that comes to the host, that comes to the house today, is going to carry the head home, or maybe might decide to share it with others. So you have to show them the head of the goat to be sure that you actually killed a full goat for them, not like buying small goats from the market. So you have to show them So that's why this thing will not be cut. And then again, you are not going to cut. This is the chest part, the heart. This is the heart, the kidney. You're not going to cut them as well. You're going to cook them like this, as in how big this thing is. You're going to cook everything like this to show that you actually bought a full goat for them. So yeah, that is it. So this one will be for the salad soup, because I know most of them will prefer to eat the salad soup. Yeah, this like the one of the best soup we cook in Annam. So we're not going to, I'm going to be making this part big. This is quite big, like camera is not even doing. See how big the pot is. Like I saying, it's quite big. So this is the one I'll be using for the salad. Yeah, see, this is the one I'll be using for the salad that has the head, the heart, the legs. Yeah, the legs. I managed to cut the legs into two, so it won't be that long. So the legs part here is going to be here, and then other parts again I choose. Other best part I choose that is going to be okay for the salad. Yeah, and then this is for the rice. This is for the rice. So this is what I'll be using for the rice. This is the part I'm going to be using for the rice. It's not that much, but since I don't think the rice is, everybody is going to prefer to eat the salad. Yeah, I know for sure. Everyone will prefer to eat the salad. The rice is going to be like, excuse me, the rice is going to be like an after party kind of food. Like when they are done eating and drinking, that's maybe if they are hungry, you know. If you drink, like if you're taking alcohol, I think at the end they will be hungry. So I think the rice will just be for like an after party. I don't know, but that's just it. So it won't be that much. It won't be that much people that are going to take the rice. But I'll still carry you guys along to see how it goes. Yeah. So these are the seasoning cubes I'm going to be using. This is no chicken, this is no beef, no beef, and then this is what's it called, Maggi star crayfish. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Maggi star crayfish. It's still on the ground. I've not put it on fire yet, so I'll just be adding this first. Seasoning cubes. But I don't know if I'm the only one that hates using my hand to crush seasoning cubes. It gives me this feeling I don't like. And so yeah, I'm going to be doing this. I don't think this will be enough for what. Everything. You have to put everything. Yeah, so this is it. So I'll also be adding dried Cameroon pepper to it. Yeah, this is dry pounded Cameroon pepper. Then I'll also be adding salt, just normal salt to it. So let's go. Adding the salt. You see, I'm adding the pepper, the Cameroon pepper, not salt. So I'm going to be adding enough of pepper. Yeah, so we let our 30 minutes. So this is adding salt to it. It's okay. Yeah, I'm going to be mixing this together. Just look for a way to mix it. And then, yeah, that's about it. Just put it on the fire. To mix it. So right now, I'm not going to be adding water to it for now. So the goat meat is going to boil out water. That will help the seasoning, like the salt, the seasoning cubes I added, and then the pepper to go into the meat. You understand? So to get, I say you understand as if I'm teaching. So yeah, I'm not going to be adding water now. So I'll just let the water from the meat to boil out first, and then it will help the seasoning cube, salt and everything to get into the meat properly. Yeah, that is it. So after the water has boiled, like after the water has boiled out from the meat, and then I will then add water for the soup itself. That's what we call ikwa milove. Right? Yeah, ikwa milove. Yeah, so that is it. Let me just go ahead and put it on the fire. I was supposed to cook this thing outside with my other gas cooker, the outside cooker, but I think I still have time and I want to go upstairs to do some things now. So I'll just quickly put it on this gas to my normal gas, like my inside cooking gas, to just be there for now instead of just leaving it like that, sitting without doing anything to it. You get? So I'll just let it be, to just be cooking there a little bit, because this pot is way big for the gas, so it won't really heat up very well, but it will. Instead of leaving it like this, I'll just put it there, and then it will just be heating up little by little there until I am ready to start cooking it. Yeah, so that is it for that. So yeah, this particular one is for the salad soup. For the white soup, I don't add anything extra to it, just salt, pepper, seasoning cube, maybe I think I'll blend crayfish and fresh pepper later to add to it, but for now this is all I'll be using for now. And we don't put onion. I grew up knowing that onion is not supposed to be there, so I won't be adding onion to it. Yeah, then later I'll still show how I'm going to season that of the jollof rice. Yeah, bye. So it's now on the gas. I'll just leave it here and do whatever I'm doing. So I'll start cooking it.
man no be God at all. Today you depose, tomorrow you fall. No one know tomorrow. Oh, an eventually. Anything you they do, check out. Check out my keji. The money, unfinishable, or yabu, impossible. Put the money, unfinishable, or yabu, impossible. The money, unfinishable, or yabu, impossible. Put the money, unfinishable, or yabu, impossible.